Hey YouTube, it's Mackenzie and
Brenna.
She is my YouTube guest, and today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial on her, and then we're going to make a different video and she's going to be doing a hair tutorial on me. And you can look her up on YouTube, and it's Hipster Girl 44 with a Y and a capital H. So yeah, so hey everybody, sorry my room's really messy. Got the, the chips on the bed. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Today can you scooch over just a little bit?
This way.
Okay. Today I'm going to be doing, I'm just gonna switch it on, a waterfall braid to about here-ish, and then I'm gonna braid it down. Okay. My hair straightener's in the way. Okay. So I'm gonna kind of show y'all how to do this a little bit, and I just learned how to do this myself, so I'm not that good at it, but yeah. Okay, so what you do is you take 3 strands of hair and you start it off like a regular braid going around the side of your head. And you want to do that about 3 times. And what you want to do is you always want to get the person's hair that you're styling to hold the piece of hair you drop. So I'm going to add in this piece and drop a piece. Add in a piece, braid it, and drop it. Add in a piece, braid it, and drop it. And this is going to be my last piece of hair, and what I'm going to do from here is, well, hold on, I lied, it's not my last piece of hair. Okay, so, okay, now this is going to be my last piece of hair. And what I always do is just to end the braid, I braid it going down. You can let it go. And I'm telling her to let it go. She can let it go now. And I'm going to stop it about right there. Grab another piece from the back just to, because the piece that I grabbed was way short. So I'm just going to grab one of these pieces. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a clip. Can you hold this like this? Okay, and your best friends right here, bobby pins. And I usually put 3 in just to make sure that it's tight enough and none of the hair falls out. And turn your head, get a little closer, And that is my waterfall braid that I do. Okay, scooch that chair over. So, yeah. And I do mine a certain way just to braid it down the back, but you don't have to do that. You can just bobby pin it where the waterfall braid stops. So yeah, okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Bye!